So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI images from scratch. I'm going to show you the free version and one which is going to be through a website called Canva. So let's start with the free version first. This is going to be a step-by-step guide. I want you to go on the following website, so deepai.org. This is the free way to create artificial intelligence-based images. So let's start with something simple. So we're on the home page here. So I'm going to give it some basic instructions to create this image. Create an image of a purple river with boats on it and the Egyptian pyramids in the background and a large moon. So let's see what kind of images it will make with this request. One thing to note about this is a free website, but it's literally loaded with so many ads. So you may need to use some kind of ad blocker if you are on this website. But that's just one slightly annoying thing. So here's the first one. So we've got this style here. So it's not really made a river, but there's some kind of sea there in the background, but that's pretty good. It is purple, which is what I requested. Let's check a different style. So this next style is more for creating animals, but let's see what it does. So I've changed the style to this panda one, and I'm going to click generate. Let's see how it manages. It usually takes a few minutes to load. Okay, so that's another one. It didn't listen to me when I said I wanted boats on the river, but that's still quite an impressive image there. Let's see what other style we can have. So this is a cyberpunk generator. So this is going to be like a cyberpunk style image. So let's generate. So it's just loading there, which you can see. Okay, very nice. No boats again, but still that's pretty good to kind of start off with. There is like a retro style here, like an old drawing. Let's generate that. Good. Okay, so it's pretty much captured everything. So it's got the boats, the pyramids in the background, the large moon. It's like a purple themed picture. Okay, this is like a painting style. So let's see how this one will do. Let's generate this one. Okay, that's interesting. Again, it's got everything I asked for here. Boats, purple river, pyramids, and a large moon in the background. Let's check this next style here. Okay. So really kind of abstract style image here. There's another two options in terms of style, so let's check this one. This one is called Impressionism. Let's see how this turns out. Very nice. That's pretty much what I asked. Well, there aren't any pyramids here in the background, but that still looks nice. And let's check this last one. This is for surreal graphics. I think it's going to be black and white though. Let's see how this one turns out. Okay. Well, considering it's artificial intelligence and this image has been created instantly, I think these results are pretty good. Let's give one final request. I think I liked this version the best. Okay, so let's do another random image. Create an image of a monkey with a balloon with a red balloon in his hand while jumping on a skateboard in a park. I think because of all the ads that are on this page, it's kind of glitching a little bit as I'm trying to type that information in. So let's generate this and see what we get. Okay, so it blocked that for some reason. I'm not sure why. Let's try elephant. So this is the thing with the free image generators. There's a lot of filters, so you can't really do certain things. Like if I had a paid membership here, it would have let me do this. But let's just start again and do something else. So create an image of a clown with a pineapple on his head, and he is sitting on a park bench. Okay, so that's worked. I don't know, something to do with the animals there, it didn't let me do that. So okay, yeah, that's created that image. It's quite cool. So I've showed you this free version here. Canva, which a lot of people use throughout the world, also have their own AI image generator, and I think the kind of style and interface of Canva is a lot easier to use. This is just riddled with ads, and there are some filters here which sometimes you have to pay for to bypass. So as another option, you can use Canva, which is paid. So I'm going to show you it on Canva here. So let's move over to Canva. We're going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So this is Canva. And then we're going to click Magic Media here on the bottom left. So all you have to do is describe the image that you want and it'll generate it. You can see here on Canva, there really aren't many ads here on the paid version. So let's write the same stuff. So create an image of a purple river with boats on it and pyramids, the Egyptian pyramids in the background, and a large moon in the sky. Let's try that. Cool. Wow, that's quite impressive. So it's given us 4 different styles here that we can pick. Let's see. Wow, okay. So Canva's definitely giving the more high quality images here. So it's pretty much giving the exact image that I wanted. But they also do different styles, and they give you 4 different options for each AI generated image. So that is very, very impressive. Let's check some other styles. So they have their own versions of styles. So let's try Dreamy and then generate. Wow, okay, yeah, so that's a dreamy style. And let's see what other styles we can do. So we can do a filmic style. Oh wow, so this is like more of a realistic style image. I don't know why every time I click it initially it shows up as an error like this. I think it just needs a few minutes to load, but okay, it works now. So that's more of a realistic style image. Okay, and let's see if that elephant one, which I was going to do, works. So I wanted to create an image of an elephant holding a red balloon on a skateboard in the park. We'll do that dreamy. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's load this up. I don't know why it keeps saying image not found. Okay, yeah, that's really good. Let's see some of their other styles. So I think you can do an anime version. Let's see that. Yeah, cool. So yeah, I've showed you in today's video 2 different ways to make artificial intelligence AI images. So you can use the free version on deepai.org, or if you have a Canva membership, they also have this AI image generator as well. So if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you have found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.